Hi everyone, I'm Sam, and today I will be showing you how to make a face-to-face appointment through the Writing Studio site and a little bit of what that face-to-face appointment will look like. So the easiest way to get to the Writing Studio is through your portal page. Under the Student Academics tab, there's a direct link to the Writing Studio. This will bring you to our page on the mcla.edu site, and it has information about what we do, the types of appointments we have. For example, we're focused on in-person face-to-face here. These are very limited, open Monday through Thursday from 12 to 1 in our own writing studio, which is Murdoch 120. I would recommend booking the appointment online rather than relying on a walk-in, but walk-ins are available nonetheless. This is also just some information about different guidelines we have and what it might be like. And then on the bottom here, we have our full hours, a couple other links, and our location, Murdoch 120. To schedule an appointment, you would automatically just click this button here, and then it would bring you to the WC online login page. If you don't already have an account, you can register for one very easy, filling out your information, your name, your A number, your year, your language, your major, create a password, and set email notifications. From there, you would complete registration. Since I have an account, I'm going to log in here, and it will bring you to our scheduling page. So this is where you directly book appointments, and it will have the full week here, so you can pick any of these days that were open. And on the side, to the left here, it will have the associate's name and what form of tutoring you're offering. So for example, to show you a face-to-face one, I will go to mine on Wednesdays, and you would just see here, Samantha face-to-face tutoring. The white boxes represent open appointments, and the colored boxes, for example, the green one at the top here, represents a booked appointment. So for face-to-face, you want to make sure it says face-to-face on the side, click the box, and this is where you would fill out information about what assignment you're bringing in and all of that stuff. So you would fill out what class it's for, the professor, your first language, your year, and then this too, you can choose to have us send a report to your professor detailing what we worked on. This will basically just be a little bit of a note to them, telling them that you visited the studio and what specific things we addressed, and then also your pronouns. And this box here is probably the most important part. Here is where you would put the specific things that you want us to work on, whether that's your thesis, working on paragraph transitions, working on sentence structure, a specific paragraph, for example, your analysis paragraphs rather than just your summary paragraphs or something like that. Detail that here for us as much as possible, and that will really help us out. And then below that, it has an area for you to upload the files. So even though we are meeting face-to-face, we really want to encourage as little contact as possible just to be safe. So here you can upload your assignment or your outline or whatever you have, the draft that you have and the prompt, things like that. And you can upload multiple files. So whatever is pertains to the assignment, you can upload here. And then from there, you would create the appointment. And from there, you would come to our writing studio at noon on whatever day you're booked. And it would look something a little bit like this. So you would enter the writing studio here. This is what it looks like in case you've never seen it before. And the writing associate that you will be meeting at noon will be at the table here. You would wait here until they bring you in. So from there, you would sit down right here, maintaining 6 feet social distancing, wearing masks, and you can lay out anything that you're bringing here, your computer, a copy of your draft, etc. And this is a way for us to talk face-to-face as close to a normal appointment as possible while still being safe, and we'll be able to communicate live and in person to ask questions and have a conversation about whatever you're bringing in.